Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hardware. Plug in both controllers and sign each player into a profile. Once connected, power cycle the game to ensure the latest update is active. This prevents split-screen lockouts. Navigate straight to multiplayer or rally menu. Do not enter single-player events first. Select local multiplayer, then choose split screen. You do this now because Dirt 5 requires active local session flags. Starting here avoids reloading tracks later and speeds the process. Once you're in split screen setup, assign each player a car and tune assist to match skill. This keeps races fair and prevents early disconnects. Next, pick the preferred mode: free play for practice, playgrounds for fun challenges, or championship for structured races. Make sure to set track, weather, and time of day. Those choices affect visibility and handling. Then choose screen orientation: horizontal for wide TVs or vertical for tall monitors. This ensures both players see crucial HUD info during the race. Now finalize by confirming both players' loadouts and pressing start. The game will split the view and spawn you on the grid. If you notice frame drops or input lag, reduce rendering scale, disable ray tracing, or switch to 60 FPS mode to stabilize performance. Should the split fail to initialize, reconnect controllers and return to the main menu. If that fails, restart the game and reapply updates. One key tip: if one screen stays black, reassign the inactive profile and relaunch the split session to recover.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.